Do you think it's possible to regrow an eye? The answer is yes. How crazy is that? Meet Olivia. Olivia is a researcher that specializes in stem cells. Stem cells are cells that do not have a specific job or function. It is the job of scientists to alter these genes of a stem cell and turn it into a special type of cell, like a cell in the kidney or the skin. Stem cells can be used to replace cells in the body that aren't working. For example, other researchers are trying to figure out if stem cells can be placed in people's eyes who have an eye disease and have trouble seeing. They want to investigate whether stem cells can replace damaged eye cells. Look at this picture of an ear growing in a science lab. Stem cell scientists like Olivia come up with ways to regrow body parts using stem cells, like this ear. Olivia can use stem cells to regrow body parts because all living things are made of cells. Your eyes, skin, and even blood are all made of microscopic cells. Take a look at this person's skin. Under an electron microscope, it looks like a group of cells. There are many types of cells in your body, and they work together in groups to perform specific jobs. Specialized cells in our eyes are responsible for letting us see color, whereas cells in our skin that contain melanin protect us from the sun rays. Sometimes cells in the human body don't work properly. When this happens, Olivia tries to use stem cells to repair or replace the damaged cells. Remember that stem cells are special cells that can transform or turn into any other type of cell. Right now, Olivia is researching how stem cells can be used to replace cells in a tooth. Have you ever had a cavity? A cavity is a hole in your tooth caused by bacteria. For many years, dentists have filled in cavities with materials called fillings. Fillings are made with ceramic or metals. Researchers like Olivia want to investigate whether they can use stem cells to regenerate and repair tooth cells rather than use fillings. For her research, Olivia first collects stem cells to use. There are a few types of stem cells. Olivia is using stem cells that come from newborn babies. Every time a baby is born, there are a lot of stem cells in the cord that connects the baby to its mother in the womb. This cord is called an umbilical cord. After Olivia extracts the stem cells from the umbilical cord, they are separated and kept alive in little containers. The cells will be used inside of the cavities to regrow the teeth. You might find it hard to believe that your teeth are made of living cells, but they are. Did you also know that teeth cells interact with other groups of cells in the human body? For example, the cells in your mouth release saliva that your teeth and tongue use together to chew and to start to digest your food. The cells in your gums hold your teeth in place so they don't fall out when you chew. To test Olivia's research, she works with dentists who are using stem cells with their patients. She asks each dentist to use a different number of stem cells to treat cavities. For example, in one cavity, the dentist might add 1,000 stem cells, and in another cavity, add 2,000 stem cells. Olivia asks the dentist to take pictures before and after they treat the teeth with stem cells so she can study how well the stem cells work. Today, she is looking at photos of the decayed teeth before and after stem cells were added. Look how much better the tooth looks with the stem cells. Using these photos, Olivia can figure out the perfect number of stem cells to use to repair the teeth. Olivia still has a lot of research to do to find the answer. Once Olivia comes up with the perfect treatment, it will become routine for dentists to use around the world to repair teeth. Now it's your turn to be a stem cell researcher. Let's go on an adventure.